guys! Hi vlog! Welcome to my guys! Dali. Dali mo, hello! Say hello to the camera. Kunwari, social tayo. English, gano'n. Look! Over here! Wow! So, dito nga po kami sa bahay ng tita namin. Tapos, walang magawa. So, natripan ko mag-vlog. Eto namang batang ere. Ay! Say hello to the camera! Hello! Hi! You can't understand me now. She can't understand me because her mother and her father is from the Philippines. And I'm from... Where am I?
America.
I'm from America because I'm English speaking. And I am... I look American, right? I look American. Am I not American? Because... Yeah! Oh my goodness. Hey, you! Stop! 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 Stop hurting me! You hurt my feelings and my feelings are hurt. You don't know how painful it is to be painful because you don't know. Anong painful? Hi, hello. Do you wanna join the vlog? This is serious. I am gonna put this vlog on YouTube, Bakit kapag nag-i-English yung mga Pilipino, kailangan may lagi? Like, like that. So weird. Hey, babes! Looks! Are you cute? Huh? Yes or no? Like that or like that? Alam mo, nasusuran na ako, ha? Walang silbi tong vlog na to, ha? Magbablog ako. So, ayun, guys. Bakit pag magsisimula ka talaga mag-vlog, ang tawag talaga lagi sa mga nanonood sa'yo, guys. Anong meron sa guys? Di ba pwedeng, hi girls, ganon. Girls, gals. Ay, nauntog ang bebe, lagot ka. Lagot ang bantay. Basta ako I'm, just here. Siya po talaga nag-aalaga kay Heaven. Tapos, ako, eto lang. Walang pake sa kanila. Ahahaha! Charot. So, gusto ko lang i-share na may tumubong nunal sa akin na naman. Ayun, no. May tumubong nunal. Yung, eto, 1, 2. Yung nakikita nyo na yan, pimple marks lang yan. Hehe. Baby naman na baby naman.